Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this one we're talking about how to export BlueStacks Keymapping profiles to another PC. Okay, so just launch your BlueStacks, of course. Opening up your game will be also good for this matter that we're doing today. And now guys, you need to open up the game control icon, the keyboard symbol, which is right over here, game controls, and then go to controls editor. And then you click on open folder. And then guys, as you can see, we are taken to this path. So if you have any custom controls set for a certain day, a game, specific game, just go ahead and highlight all of the files, add them, for example, into the archive. And then if you want to, export them or import them, export, import into another PC, you just then save this archive, open up this archive. On the new PC, you go to this same destination. And then you paste those files you've copied from a previous PC into here, and this way you will import your custom profiles in here, okay? And then you just can go ahead and just load them up easily and enjoy your games once again. So that is it. This is pretty much what it takes to export. Don't forget the config files inside that folder. If this video helped you out, guys, like and subscribe as always.